Welcome to another NannyLogic tutorial video. Today, we're learning forms, the third step in our course setup series. So forms allow you to create customized applications to gather essential information from both clients and candidates. To ensure perfect integration with profiles, it's important to set up your forms correctly.
It's also important to note that forms are integrated with the candidate search feature. Therefore, structuring as many questions in a drop-down format will facilitate your search for candidates based on specific criteria. We will dive deeper into this in another video under our Tutorial Hubs series.
So, starting from the dashboard, right here, navigate to the Company tab on the left-hand side menu and select Forms from the drop-down. Company, Forms. Alright, we're on NannyLogic Forms. So, begin by creating profile sections to categorize information within profiles effectively. So, for example, on the candidate's profile sections, we have bio, skills and highlights, job history, and so on. Once sections are established, you're laying the groundwork for the system to recognize where specific answers from the form should reside. Alright, let's add a form. Click on this blue button and let's give it a name. Application. You may add or not a description, this is entirely optional. And then we have form type. Choose a form type that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're an agency managing different positions, you might opt for a simple registration form to capture basic candidate details. Then, based on the criteria, you can follow up with a custom form specific to the job position they're applying for. So on here, I'm going to select Candidate All Positions. Next, we have the confirmation page. Within the form setup, you can decide whether to link a confirmation page or utilize our default option while adding a personalized message. We've even included a fun little feature to add excitement to submissions with a toggle for confetti. Additionally, you can include other recipients beyond those set up in the main settings. Now, let's get into form building. Click on the Form Builder button.
At the top of the page, you'll find where you can add your questions, specify the question format, and assign a vanity label. You can also make other specifications. The vanity label is particularly useful as it replaces the form question in a simplified profile format, offering a cleaner and more professional appearance.
Now I have to choose the type of question. In the drop-down, you have 6 options. Let's make this question a drop-down selection. Add the number of provided answers, in this case 2. And now type in the answers for the user to select from. Yes. I will make this question required. And now I will designate which section of the profile the question's data belongs to. For instance, this question pertains to skills, so I'll add it to the skills and highlights section. Now, let's add this question to our form. Great, one question down. Let's scroll back up. Alright, you may have noticed the additional items toolbox located right here. These are pre-built question boxes designated to enhance functionality and add complexity to certain questions, such as those regarding references and job history. Simply click on them to incorporate them into your form. Additionally, you have the flexibility to rearrange questions on your form by clicking on the dots and dragging the question to your desired location. Continue building your forms, and once you've finished, you can click on a preview to see how it appears on the front end. Great, congratulations, you've added your first form. Let's go back right here using the arrow. You'll find all your forms right under here. You're now ready to embed your form onto your website. You can copy the code right over here, and you can add it to your website anywhere you'd like. Thanks for watching, and once you're ready, go to our next video, the 4th step in the course setup series. See you next time!